Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I start on how I make my matcha tea, I wanted to share with you guys these new leggings that I bought. I really love them, and they have the butt scrunch, and I know a lot of people like that, and they're super affordable, and it's a small business, so you gotta support small businesses, not only right now but all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you them on. They're super cute, as you can see. Let me like unzoom a little bit. So this is the back of them. They're so cute. Like, I love the butt scrunch. They're really pretty. The back of the sports bra is also really cute, and the front has that V. So as you guys can see, they're very cute. Let me know what you think about these. Alright guys, this is the second one. These are the shorts. I really like them. I like the V in the front. That's like my favorite thing about certain leggings. And then they have the butt scrunch as well. Super cute. And they're mid-thigh, so they're not too long. Oh, sorry, I'm not even showing it. They're not too long, and they're not too short. I know when you do legs and stuff, it's more comfortable to wear something a little bit longer, so this is definitely perfect for that. And the back, you could just tie it up like I was showing you guys, the top. And yeah, let me know what you think about this one. I did hang it up so you guys can get a good look at it. I wore actually both already. I loved both of them. They're yellow, and they have the butt scrunch, the snake print, and the top has this nice thin strap to it, and the back is so beautiful. Like, look how open everything is, and this is super cute. It comes with this tie on the top, so you can tie it like a bathing suit, or you can tie it with these hooks down here and loop it, which is super cute. Then these are the shorts, and they have the butt scrunch as well, and they go like mid-thigh. And what I love about them is the front. It's a V. I had a lot of questions on where I got these when I posted the picture in them, so I did get them from Lisi Fit. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share with you guys, as I know I get a lot of questions. So I got a size extra small in the leggings, and then a size small in the shorts, just because I didn't know what size I would be. They definitely fit true to size, and they're super stretchy, so make sure you check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making matcha tea. So I know you're probably like, what the hell are you making matcha tea for? But I no longer can have caffeine. I know, sad day for me, because you guys know I'm a coffee lover. I'm half Colombian. I've been having coffee since I was like 2 years old, and my body's used to coffee. I love coffee. In the morning, the smell of it, any time of the day, the smell of it, it just makes me feel good. I love it, and I no longer can have it. And for people saying, just drink decaf, like, it's not the same thing. Like, I'll have decaf coffee now just like to make myself feel like I'm having it, but it doesn't give me energy. And the past couple days I have been trying to figure out, what is it that's gonna give me energy? So I had tweeted a few of you guys. Some of my friends texted me, told me matcha tea is really high, gives you a lot of energy, but it does not have caffeine in it. So I was like, okay, perfect, let's try it. So I figured we'll try it, give it a shot, see how it is. I've had matcha tea before from like Starbucks, and it wasn't bad, but I was like, I think I can make it myself. So that's what we're doing today. And for you guys wondering why I can't have caffeine anymore, it is because I have acid reflux. I don't know if you guys know what that is. If you don't know it, just Google it. But I can't eat a lot of things. I have a very, like, my stomach, like, literally feels like you turn on a boiling pot of water, and like that's what your stomach just like is like, blah, blah, blah. It's horrible. You don't throw up nothing, you just feel disgusting and fat and bloated and gross all the time. So I was like, this gotta stop. So the doctor told me no more caffeine, and I was having caffeine. I would drink like 5 shots of espresso in one sitting. Like, I would have so much coffee. So this past week I cut it out, and I've been trying different things. I've been taking B12, but since not having caffeine, my body has been tired. Like, I think I relied on the caffeine to give me energy, not just for like the taste, but to give me energy. So the middle of the day, I'll be like falling asleep for 3 hours, and I can't do that because I have shit to do, you know? So I'm like, all right, This has gotta stop. So I've been taking B12 and hopefully that helps. I will get B12 shots here and there if I need like extra energy, but we gotta drink some tea. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. I got this one. It's Mighty Leaf Organic Matcha Tea. Now, I've never made this before. I also don't know if this one is caffeine free or not because I didn't check. So I'm hoping that it is. So let me get everything together and I'll be right back. All right, so the reason why I didn't check if it was caffeine free or not, is because they just say matcha tea is caffeine free. So I'm just assuming that this one is. I feel like it should be written somewhere on the box, but it's not, so whatever. So all I'm doing is I've got some hot water right here and I'm just gonna pour. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Yeah. Do you guys, okay. I don't know why I'm nervous. So I'm just gonna pour this into this hot water. I mean, honestly, it looks pretty gross, but I mean, I've had it before, it's not bad. A lot of people say if you get it from Starbucks to get like a pump of chai tea and a pump of chai, and then, or you can get like a shot of decaf espresso, but I don't have time for all that. So I'm just gonna be making it at home. Just gonna be whisking it up. So yeah, I suffer from acid reflux, which I'm suffering because it's a horrible thing. Like not having coffee anymore, I can't have tomatoes, well, I don't even like tomatoes. I can't have like a lot of things, but a lot of things I also don't care. Like, not that's wrong to say. Not that I don't care, I care a lot, but I'm still gonna eat it. Maybe not excessively, like fried chicken and stuff. Like I'm not gonna eat it excessively, but I'm gonna eat it. I'm not gonna cut that out, you know? So now that it's all mixed, which is pretty easy, I've seen some people say that it's a little difficult to mix it up. I don't know what they were talking about, but yeah. So now I'm using some macadamia milk, lactose-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, because I can't have dairy anymore either, which I already don't have dairy, but sometimes I cheat and have like ice cream and stuff, but that's no more. So I'm just putting a nice amount, like half the glass. This is like a little latte, so you know, gonna fancy it up. I'm gonna put some honey for some sweetener. If you know me, you know I love my honey. I put it on everything. Freaking love that shit. All right, now I'm gonna pour this in there. Ooh, I put just enough. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Oh fuck, sorry. Now I'm gonna mix it up. I think I put too much milk. That's totally okay though. Oh, by the way, Valentine's Day is, if you guys are doing anything for Valentine's Day, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so now I'm gonna try it. So I definitely put too much milk. Definitely put like this much milk maybe. Honestly, it doesn't taste like anything, if I'm being real. The one at Starbucks that I've gotten, it has a little bit more of a stronger taste. I think they probably put more scoops in there. So maybe I have to use 2 packets, but it's trial and error, you know? But I just wanted to show you guys an alternative from caffeine because I am struggling with that. So if you guys have any other drinks that I could drink in the morning and in the middle of the day, that's normally when I have my coffee, let me know that's caffeine free and good for you because I'm trying to get myself together and get myself right. I do want to show you one more thing. I know that I have a lot of vegan subscribers because whenever I do cooking videos, you guys are always like, go vegan. I'm not going vegan, but I am switching to vegan protein. I know. So the reason why is because whey protein is from milk and I can't have milk. So I'm always wondering, why does my stomach hurt so bad from whey protein? That's why. So I'm switching over to vegan. I used to drink vegan protein a couple years back. I did switch over again. I I just got the little packet from Whole Foods because I wanted to make sure I liked it before I went and bought the tub, because they are pretty expensive. Like, I don't know why, like, well, I know why, but you know, it is pretty pricey. So I wanted to make sure I liked the one that I had. I got a different one this morning. I tried that one. I liked it. It didn't taste like vegan at all, and it had a bunch of good vitamins in there. So we shall see how that works out. Like I said, leave some suggestions down below. And yeah, let me know what you want me to see, what you want me to try next, because I do want to try other stuff. And if you want to see me make it, let me know. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. This was a short, quick video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you go watch all my other videos. I know a lot of people were like, oh, I'm tired of the try on hauls. Actually, that's not true. One person said it. But of course, negative comments like stays in your head longer, because like I always want to make sure everybody's happy with my content, and that one person like was being negative. But I do have other videos on my channel. They don't get as much views as the try on hauls. So if you're a person that's subscribed to me and are sick of the try on hauls, I only do them once a week. So make sure you have your notifications on and you're watching all my other videos. I do vlogs, I do cooking videos, I do a lot of different stuff. So make sure your notifications are on. You can look on my playlist. I have a lot of different playlists for what video you might be interested in watching. Make sure you leave comments down below on what you want to see. I am going to be vlogging this weekend. I'm going to be out doing stuff, so I figured I will vlog with my friends and whatever else I'm going to be doing. So make sure you stay tuned for that video for next week, because this is going to be going up on Sunday. And yeah, guys, I love you, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you guys have a great day and a blessed rest of your day. And I will be back with more videos. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and bye, guys.